Hello guys, in this video I will show how to send money from NexusPay to bKash. Start by opening the NexusPay app on your phone and logging in using your credentials or biometrics. On the home screen, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select Send Money from the menu. Next, choose bKash as the recipient service. If bKash isn't listed, select Phone Number and enter the bKash registered mobile number manually. Then, fill in the details. Enter the recipient's number, the amount you want to send, and your NexusPay PIN. Review all the information carefully, then tap Confirm or Send Money. You'll receive a notification once the transfer is successful, and the bKash recipient will also get a confirmation message via SMS or the app. That's it. Your money has been successfully sent from NexusPay to bKash. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.